video, I will show you how to achieve a peach makeup look. So, let's get on with the video. Let's start. So, the first step is to put your foundation and concealer on. I have put my concealer on already a while ago, so yeah, it's gonna be a faster step. So yeah, moving on. So after you put your concealer on, you put the base shade. So the base shade that we will be using today is from the Kathleen Lights X Colourpop Dream Street palette. So we are gonna use the shade. What shade is this? We're gonna be using the shade Moony over here, all over our eyes. So let's take Moony over here. Yeah. This doesn't have a mirror. So yeah. Just gonna use my regular mirror. Okay, so after that, we will leave some eye steps later. I'll just move that to later. And right now, we will be doing our blush. I know, right? So weird. Like, why are you doing your blush already? But yeah, just move on. We're gonna be doing our whole blush routine, meaning we're gonna do contour, blush, and then after our last eye step, we're gonna put our highlight on. So yeah, take your blush brush. Mine is a unicorn brush. This is from Miniso. And yeah, I'm gonna be using the obviously classic iconic Bobbie Cosmetics Insta Runway Ready contour kit, and we're gonna be using the blush. I love the blush here because it's just the perfect rosiness for me. Okay, so we're done with our blush, and you're probably wondering, Chloe, you made a mistake. You put your blush before you put your contour. My bad. I'm really sorry about that, but now is the time to put the contour. So get your contour brush. Yeah, that magically attached to another brush, but yeah, I'm gonna take my contour brush and just take the contour and from the same palette and just brush your contour all the way however you like it. As you can see, as you saw earlier, I put a bit of blush here because I am trying to achieve a drunk blush look, and I actually love how a drunk blush look looks like, so that is why I put my blush in that way. Continue your contour. See, it doesn't really do anything for me because this contour isn't really the most pigmented, so that's why it's not really that great. Actually, I'm not using contour, I'm just using my bronzer right here because the contour is a little teensy bit too dark for me. Okay, so the next step is actually the most plot twist step in this video. I am going to be applying the same blush on that I applied on my cheeks onto my lids because we are trying to achieve that monochromatic look. You can see this look in Instagram. Yeah, I have seen Kylie Jenner do this monochromatic look actually, so I got a little inspired, you know. So just take your blush. just the same blush that you used for your cheeks earlier, and take an eyeshadow brush, just like this one over here, and then you dip your brush a little teensy bit. Actually, no, that's not even a little teensy bit. Then put it all over your lid as well, just like you did with the base shade. You are going to achieve the monochromatic look. I know this look is a little bit different than all the looks that I've done before, but I just really wanted to try something new, because I can't always stick to one like same routine as every video, because obviously as this channel, as I post more in this channel, I'm going to be trying a lot of new challenges, you know. So yeah, just put your blush on onto your eyelids, however you want it to be as heavy, but yeah, just blend it well. Then after that, we will be applying a peach shimmery shade in our inner corner. For that inner corner peach shimmery shade, we will be using the Almay Intense Eye Color Powder Shadow in the shade Trio for browns. So in this little pan here, there's a peach shade, a brown shade, and a purple shade. We will be using the peach shade on our inner corner. So I will be using the Eco Tools brush. This is the micro crease brush, and I don't know why the brush is deforming. Okay, it's fine now. So let's just take our peach shade, glider brush, a little too much there, and then you put it in the inner corner. So it's great for inner corners because it's a very shimmery shade. That way, attention will be drawn to your eyes. That way, your hard work wouldn't be so wasted, you know? Joke lang. Yeah. Also, guys, a little tip or a hack for you guys. If you have like a favorite palette, but there's just one shade that you want to try that isn't really pigmented, you can actually spray a bit of MAC Fix Plus or setting spray onto your brush before you dip it onto your onto the shade of the palette that you want to make pigmented. I'm sorry if I keep saying or in this video, yeah. Just put it however you like it. Guys, by the way, in all of my videos, I know I have certain steps for you guys to follow, but it doesn't mean that those steps, like, you really need to take it super seriously. By mean steps, like, I'm just like recommending to you or guiding you or advising you to do those steps just to make it, you know, actually the look. But if you want to try something new or you want to do it your way, you can obviously do it your own way. I'm not forcing you guys to like do it. Oh, you put like that shimmer, that shade in your crease. Like, I'm not like seriously like telling you, oh, put that. I'm not necessarily telling you to do that, but I just want you guys to, you know, have an idea. If you don't have that shade, or if you don't have that shade, you can obviously, no, if you have that shade, you can use that. But if you don't have, you can obviously do it your own way, girl or boy. I don't discriminate, okay? I do not mind. Like, it's your own face, so do whatever you want with it, okay? Okay, so for the next step, we are gonna be using, again, my favorite Bobbie Cosmetics Insta Runway Ready Contour Kit, and we are gonna be using the highlighter of my dreams. I literally love this highlighter a lot, like I swear by it. So I'm gonna take my fan brush and I'm gonna, you know, a little dab over there, and yeah, put this on. Whoa! Okay, it's not even in the right spot, and I'm so happy. I have no idea what's going on. A little too much there, huh? Can you even see it? By the way, guys, if you haven't already noticed, I have decorated my nails a little bit there. Like I said, it's just bored, yeah. And yeah, usually every summer I put nail polish on just for funsies because I'm bored. I mean, who isn't bored in summer? Anyway, just put however much you want highlighter. I don't honestly mind. Like if you want to put like a pound of this on your face, I honestly do not mind. Like you can do, you are you, girl. Whoa, whoa, look at my highlighter. Anyway, yeah, by the way, guys, don't put too much highlighter on your nose. I mean, it's your choice, but like you don't want to look like Rudolph the shiny nose reindeer, you know. There we go. That's just a little teensy bit. Okay, so for our second to the last step, which is doing our lashes, yeah, I'm gonna curl my lashes first, then we can put our mascara, then the final step. Okay, anyway, just curl your lashes. This is actually up to you. Yeah, if you want to curl your lashes or not. I just want to curl my lashes just to add a little pop when I actually add mascara, just to make it, you know, a little more lengthy, I guess, long. Yeah, I guess so. Anyway, now I'm crying. I mean, don't worry, guys. Yeah. So we're actually gonna try a little something new today. Again, something new, I know, right? But yeah, we're gonna be trying the Bobbie Cosmetics Flutter-tastic Lashes Defining Mascara. Yeah, it's actually new. For me, I don't know if it's new to you guys, but yeah, for me, this is new because I just found it randomly. Yeah, randomly found it. Now I'm trying so hard to open it. Okay, there. Okay, now I can put our mascara. Whoa, this is a nice tube. Oh, didn't expect that. Okay, anyway, now we just put our mascara on. Okay, wow. For a Bobbie Cosmetics product, Bobbie Cosmetics is actually a very nice brand. Oh my gosh. Even my favorite blush is from there. Also my highlighter. I love that. Okay, wow. That's actually very great mascara. I love this. I love this a lot. Guys, go buy this. Anyway, so on to our last step. So we actually have a special guest.
It's real.
So Adam's gonna be putting lipstick for the last step. Joke lang. Anyway. Okay, actually for our last step, we're gonna be using a new product again. This is not a first impressions video, by the way. What is here? What is actually ironic is that I bought this a few days ago, and it's actually a peach lip tint, and this is by Cathy doll. This is their sweet aqua tint in the shade peach. Okay, so just put a little bit of this in the center of your lips. Okay, so we're done with our lips. Okay guys, so now we are done with our makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look as much as I did, and I hope you actually try to do or to recreate this makeup look. And yeah, please give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this, and comment down below peach emojis, like a lot of peach emojis. So yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.